Hey YouTube, welcome back guys, and then happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the rocket copters. Before we went to like a Disneyland, and then there were like sellers selling over there, shooting this up to into the sky, and also at the Target parking lots. So I didn't want to buy it because it costs like $5 each. So we were at the store at the Burlington the other day, or like a couple weeks ago, and then I got this. And then I asked my son if he wants it again. So anyway, this one is the 6 packs of copters and come with the 3 launchers. Okay. And it has soaring LED helicopters. It says new. Just hook and launch. And this is the as seen on TV. And it says launches up to 120 feet. Launches like a rocket, flies like a helicopter. It also comes with the super bright LED lights. And it says spectacular flights, day or night. It says read instruction prior to use. 3 launchers and instruction manual included or enclosed. Wow, this one has a built-in sound effects. I didn't even know. And guess what I paid for? I got 6 of this for only $6.99 each. If you bought this $5 a pop at the fair or at the parking lot, you're looking at about like $30. So it's a fun for everyone, great for all ages, one-on-one. Spinning action creates a dazzling glow, visible up to half a mile. Wow. All right, so this is for ages 8 plus and up. It says cautions, do not point or launch rocket copters at people, animals, or breakable objects. Use in an open area away from trees, rooftop, electricity poles, and other items where the rocket copter may become stuck. Batteries included and are not replaceable. What? Not replaceable? So what happens if it dies out? You just throw away? That's messed up. This is made in China. So let's go ahead and then get this, open it up. Seems pretty simple. There you go, 3 launchers right here. You got the blue, got the hot pink, great for summertime, and you got this orange. Come with the rubber band. It's a heavy duty rubber band. So just wrap around it. So it's just shoot it like a slingshot. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and then come with this instruction right here. So this is the launching instruction. Fold top and center of wing along the folded here lines, pinching them in place. So there's a wing, there's a tail, those are the wings. All right, let's get this out of there. So there you go, guys. You got the two at the hot pink. Oh, so there's a hook right here, okay? And then your LED. There's your switch. Wow, look at that. So bright. Oh, so this is a push on button. Wow, that is super bright. So I guess it fall around the line here. And then right here. And then on this side as well. Let's see. So for the outward. And then the outward again, okay? So you got two at the pink one, hot pink, two at the blue, two at the oranges. Too bad the battery is not replaceable. I'm pretty sure that if you cut this open, the battery should be in here. And it's supposed to have the sound. It says built-in sound effects. So maybe it's like a whistle sound or something. When it's coming down or flying up. So let me test out, make sure all of them are working. So blue has a blue LED. Well, actually, they're all white. All right. So yeah, all of them are working. So it says when holding the launcher, keep your finger below the square opening marked back. Oh, this is the back right here. So make sure you hold it below it. Like that. And then just pull it back and then shoot the rocket. So after you fall and everything, this is where you hold to pull back. Okay. Alright guys, so anyway, this is my unboxing for this rocket copters. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please also hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification. And then drop any comments on below. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.